Okay, so this is my glue, fabrical glue, which I am going to put on my flowers. Okay, so and there are three sizes of flowers which I have taught. So firstly I am going to stick the smallest one. Okay, and after that the size number 2, and after size number 2 we are going to stick our flower number 3rd. Okay, like this way. Okay, if you want to go with the red combination you can go, but you know the things should be matched with your like flowers should be matched with your platter. Okay, so this is my leaves. Now you can see how I'm going to make my leaves. Okay, see how I am attaching it. Okay, so this is you can arrange your leaves. Okay, and it's basically that depends on you then how you want to be arranged. You can make some um, small leaves, you can make some big leaves. Okay, but the leaves are very very important for any project. Okay, flowers are incomplete without leaves. Okay, so I in my project I always suggest to people. Okay guys, if you are hearing some voice, so please that I'm really really sorry, because and in this pandemic is to I think the kids are at home. Okay, my niece and all, so please excuse me for that. Okay, and until I'm trying my best to give you the uh, all the things like what we can do it. Okay, see this arrangements is up to you. Like what I have done I'm showing you. You can always play with the arrangement, you can arrange in a different manner as well. Okay, so this is basically you can arrange your leaf, and believe me guys, this glue is very very good glue. Okay, and if you're going to work with this glue, your things are not going to be coming out. I'm damn sure about it. Okay, so please don't use Fevicol. I'm not sure about the Fevicol. Okay, you can use the use the silicone glue as well, but the silicone glues that the glue is very costly, and for this platter I don't think so you should use the silicone glue. If you have it you can use it. Okay, otherwise it's totally fine. Okay, so whatever you have it you can always use it, but you have to make sure what you are going to arrange. Okay, so these are leaves. You can make the leaves in the light color as well if you want. To make the leaves are very very important. Okay, so even you can cover the half area of the platter. Okay, and this is how you can arrange your leaves. Okay, so this is the complete session which I have shared. Like so many things you can do it in this platter. Okay, you know you have to give the little bit the space, because I'm going to arrange my filler flowers as well. So just give them little bit time to dry it, and after that I will be placing my filler flowers. Okay, so basically these are the arrangements which you can do it. Okay, and just you can see, like you can arrange here we are going to place our rakhi and all the stuff you can place it. Okay, just make sure the space this is I think 12 by 12 inches of my diameter circle. It is a big circle. Okay, so I have placed accordingly. Okay, if you want you can make that same sizes flowers as well, but you know the thing is that it should be some big to small. So this is how you can arrange your flowers. Okay, I'm gonna arrange my filler flowers as well. Okay, so just can add filler flower as many you want. Now I'm just adding few more filler flowers, so you can choose accordingly and you can make it accordingly. Okay, so this is our floral wedding you can say, or any kind like platter is ready. Okay, so like you can do lots of things which I'm going to share with you then how to do it. Okay, so don't worry. And to put the arrangements are very important. You can go with the same manner where where the space are left over. Okay, you can just fill the filler flowers are very very important for any kind of works. Okay? So I always suggest to people that if you made it, please made it in a good manner, you can say it. Okay, so just you have to make sure this way you can arrange your filler flower if you want, like this way. I'm just showing you the alternative what exactly you can do it. Okay, this is the something like which you can do it. Okay, so otherwise it's like which I have done it and I'm gonna share with you. Just want to give the alternative. If you want, if you don't have the beads, you can place around your platter. Okay, you can go with this option also. And you can see like I have not invest anything from the like I have not purchased. If you here don't have the MDF board, exactly what you can take the cardboard as well. Okay, good thickness cardboard is, I think everybody have their home. Even if you don't have, what you can use, you can take the big container lid also, and you can just recycle them. So that is also work perfectly. Okay, if you don't have the MDF. Okay, and guys, please excuse me for the kids voice if you are hearing. Okay, so this is how you can like arrange your filler flowers as well. Okay, otherwise it's totally up to you that how many flowers you are going to arrange. Okay, now I'm going to put my ball chain, okay, around our circle. This is, I think, 2 mm ball chain I have. Now I'm just placing the glue. Okay, and the half portion I'm going to cover with my ball chain and half portion I'm going to cover with my beads. Okay, guys, I'm trying my best to give you the all the details. Whatever you can always enhance the things, whatever the extra things you have, you can put the stone as well, which I'm going to show after some time that how you are going to do. Okay, now I'm taking my ball chain. Okay, now I'm just going to place my chain. Okay, so you have to make sure You have to like take the 3 or 4 2 or 3 Don't take smallest or the zero one, because that would be not visible. Okay, so this is how you can use it. And don't worry about the glue. Glue is not going to show because the glue is transparent. Okay, from all around you can put the only the ball chain. If you, and the ball chain is very easily available, you can put the stones as well. Okay, like this way we have like attached our ball chain. Okay, you can place around the full, but I'm going to, the half portion I'm going to cover with my beads. Okay. Arranged. Okay, so this is called the katori, where you can put roli and chawal here. Okay, and this is the traditional Indian, like you can place a small Ganesha if you have it. Okay, and this is the rakhi. You can place lots of rakhis in open pack, open, and the roli chawal here, and your platter is ready. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe.